1960 Cadillac Series 62 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is believed to be an actual mile car, 66,345 on the odometer at the moment. 3 known owners. It's coming out of long-term ownership. 26 years the previous owners of this had it, and they actually bought it from a relative when they got it who knew the gentleman that he bought it from. So that's kind of a little bit of a history on the car. 390 V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note the AC was in op, it's going to need a little attention. Heater blows hot. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front as far as the bumper, the grille, headlight surrounds. You can see a little bit of wear on these bumpers, show their age just a little bit, but don't get me wrong, overall this car looks very nice. Sure, that's the original chrome on there. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll be able to see the top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these long panels, nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, scratches. I mean, you might find a touch-up spot or a little imperfection here or there, but overall, this car shows well. That 1960 rear tail fin, of course, white on blue. Does have a power top, actually, with a new pump. We're going to run that down here in a bit. Blue vinyl interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Very stock looking dash, with the exception of the Kenwood stereo that was added down below, kind of that custom center console, I guess, if you will. And that is working. I did have that stereo working. This will also come with a car cover. Put that back in the trunk. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear of the car. All right, I mentioned the power top, and it does have a new pump that was recently replaced. The front and rear brakes, hoses, front and rear brake hoses were replaced. New front brake shoes. They're 90% in the rear, so new in the front, 90% in the rear. Passenger lower ball joint replaced. Previous owner said they've been running non-oxy gas. Of course, fender skirts intact. A little bit of a dinger back here in that bright work or what have you along the driver's side, but you can see these long panels, nice and straight and smooth, and again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. A little touch-up spot right there if you can see it. I'm being awful fussy, by the way. Paint has a nice shine to it, recently buffed and waxed. And again, quick peek at the interior, that convertible top cover. Like I said, we will show that top going up and down here in just a bit. We'll also start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. A couple other notes from the technician on this one. Did say the front sway bar link bushings were cracked. Steering gear leaks slightly, and of course your minor seeps as far as drivetrain. Again, nothing major. Turn the key, get in and go, and Jason's going to do that here in just a bit. All right, door panel looks good. This is a power seat car. I think the previous owner did mention these little button caps. There's some of those in the glove box. There's missing just a couple on the front vinyl seats. Rear seats looked good. Wouldn't be surprised if those are the original seats. As far as the vinyl, let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll take a look at the exact miles. Again, believed to be original, 66,396. Let's fire it up. $390 V8 stereo. Little sticks for you. Sounding good. Top of the dash. Also looks good. closes very nicely. Let's listen. It's a smooth running V8, no doubt about that. Let's get this hood open so we check out the engine bay and we'll see how that top works and check out its condition. Underside of the hood and engine bay. So it's pretty stock. Again, power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. It appears the AC components are all here. This is going to need some care. Still R12, number 1. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Be a fun cruiser, no doubt about that. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Let me go ahead and get this tripod set up and let's raise this convertible top. And convertible top up so you can see functions as it should. All right, latch is nice and tight above the windshield. White vinyl top. Appears that it may have been replaced along the line. There's a good idea on how the side glass fits. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. It's a good looking car with the top up too. All right, how about the rear window? That's looking good. Nice and clear. And passenger side. Side glass also up. So power windows all roll up, as you can see. No rips, tears, or holes over here in the vinyl either. I will show it going back down also so you can see it functioning both ways. 1960 Series 62 convertible, believed to be original miles. 3 known owners. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful big 1960 Cadillac. This is a convertible and we have the top down today. Great day to drive around in a giant convertible Cadillac. I can hear the turn signals working. This car has the classic low rumble that the Cadillacs have. Now, out on the fenders there's even turn signal indicators and those are both working. The blower motor works on this car. We have a Kenwood stereo, maybe 80s vintage. And that sounds good. It's working as it should. There's a cassette. However, it only tested FM. Our factory temperature gauge does not come up. It's staying down low. The fuel gauge reads over a half a tank. The blower motor works. The wipers also work on this car. Beautiful blue interior. It does show typical wear of its age, but blue against white, what a great combo. With chrome accents, of course. Infinity speakers. Nothing in the kick panels and in the back. That might be why the stereo actually sounds good. That's a quality speaker. It's the kind of car you just want to keep on driving. Luxurious ride, smooth running automobile. The factory horn works and sounds good. Brakes are nice and smooth. Power steering excellent. This is one of those cars you could steer with your pinky. That's a legit classification, isn't it? Corners well, corners luxuriously. Go for a road trip, you feel like you're straight out of a movie driving one of these down the highway. 1960 Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.